In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your app access in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite people directly by email, as well as how to share a live link to your app. Let's start right inside Base44. First, make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to select the specific project or app that you want to share. This is important because the sharing settings apply to the app you currently have open. Click on the app name to open it in the editor or workspace view. Once it loads, you should see your usual interface with your entities, tasks, or pages. Now take a look at the top right area of your screen. You'll see a share icon there. This is the control that lets you manage access to your app. Go ahead and click on that share icon. When you do, a sharing panel or dialog will appear, showing you the options available for inviting others. Inside this sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Use this if you want to invite a specific person or team member to your app. Carefully type in their email, making sure there are no typos, because the invitation will be sent directly to that address. Once you've entered the email, click on the invite button. Base44 will send an email invitation to that person, and they can follow the link in the message to access your app. This is usually the best option when you know exactly who should have access and want to keep things controlled. If you prefer a more flexible way to share, or you need to send access to several people quickly, you can use the live link option instead. In the same sharing panel, you'll see a button labeled Copy Live Link. Click on that and Base44 will copy a shareable link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into a message, a chat, or any communication tool you're using with your team. When you share the live link, anyone with that link will be able to access the app according to the permissions your Base44 setup allows. So before sharing it widely, think about who will receive it and where you paste it. And that's it. You've selected your app, open the share